My name is Derek Ng. I'm the CEO of T-Dimension. We mainly sell cameras and cell phones to Australia, United States and European countries. The reason why I started selling in Lazada is we want to develop into new markets like those countries in Southeast Asia. It all started when the Lazada sales team contacted me. Later on, we developed into a close relationship. It only took 10 days to get my first order to come in. I was very impressed with the speed of them, and there is no headache, no hassle for me. The order just came in. My best Lazada experience is our relationship with my account manager. He's very professional and he gives me a lot of market information, and actually we became friends. I started selling on Malaysia site. The sales was good and I expanded into the Singapore, Thailand and Philippines. Everything was smooth and the sales go on quickly. The fastest market is Philippines. My advice to new sellers is to get your product list ready, sign up on the Lazada site, and then the Lazada team will guide you through all the procedures. So just like me, you may get your order in a few days.